I'm going to walk you through all the stitches you need to know for the Canopy blanket. This is a crochet pattern that you can get on my website, modernmade.net, or in my Etsy shop, Modern Made Shop. Two of the stitches we are going to use for this pattern are the single crochet and the double crochet. For this pattern, we will be working a 2-row repeat, rows 2 and 3. So I'm going to show you row 3 here. This is what you will repeat all the way across row 3. Skip the chain 3s and only work into the single crochets. So into the single crochet, work a single crochet. So insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is a single crochet. And now chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And now into the same stitch that we worked the single crochet, we are going to work 4 double crochet all into that same stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through those last 2 loops. So we've done that once. We are going to do it 3 more times. So here is our second double crochet and our third double crochet and the fourth and final double crochet. So we just worked a single crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochets all into that same stitch. Now skip this chain 3 again, and into the next stitch we are going to repeat what we already did. So a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now 4 double crochet back into that same stitch that we worked the single crochet. So here's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and 4 double crochet. And you are just going to repeat that all the way across this row. After you work row 3, you will go back to repeating row 2, and this is your repeat for row 2. Chain 3. You will be skipping 5 stitches. So in the row below, you'll be skipping the single crochet and the 4 double crochet. And into the space between the double crochets and the chain 3 that you made, so right here, you are going to work a single crochet. And that is it. You are going to repeat that all the way across this row. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 5 stitches, and into the space between the double crochets and the chain 3, work a single crochet. Just repeat that all the way across. Chain 3, and then work a single crochet into that space between the double crochets and the chain 3. If you are working on the Canopy blanket, I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and you can find the pattern again at modernmade.net or Modern Made Shop on Etsy. I have a separate video tutorial for the tassels on this blanket, and I will link that tutorial in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.